Riot, napanood ko kagabi nung ini-edit doon sa session natin kagabi. In the meantime, Gandler with a touch on it.
Nakapag-bonding daw sila.
Totoo naman. At saka yung sinusuklian lang natin ang warm hosting ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Candon. We've gone all out to support the All-Star Games here. In the meantime, second set action. Laksina, by the way, is already on the floor. Set up by Cayuna. Pablo is jammed, but it's in play. Carlos shoots away. Valdez tosses Cayuna, sets up Gandler. That's been a familiar pairing. Carlos.
First point for Tots Carlos off that drop ball.
We're tied at 1 for set. Has roots in these parts. Is on the floor for Team Hart. Down the middle we go. The toss, the return. Valdez, Cayuna.
Oh! Parang may something talaga. Iba yung galaw ni Myla Babu.
Saka grit her teeth, diba? Pag binigyan ni Jel. Hello! Ngayon, tinaas. Brooke Van Sickle. Oh! That works!
Jean Assis now with her second point.
Eroa, parang silang high school na nag-i-enjoy. Oh! Neatly done!
Overpass from Team Hart.
Dots, the familiar power serve. On two, a familiar move from Cayuna. Van Sickle gets it to go and they have the lead.
Ngayon yung advantage sa dalawang libero mo. It's a block cover.
Your community coming together here to celebrate the game. Ha! Gotcha! Alagay mo.
Pwede. Blocking.
Pwede. Valdez. Yes!
Second point for Eliza Valdez.
Alohi. Big shot. Laksina.
Haba-haba lang.
Gandler. Cayuna. Panaga. Tinaas ni Gandler. Panaga to the rear. Eroa is there. Gandler with a hand. Shoved over by Justin. Alohi. Oh, we are still alive. Gandler. Brooke. Sliding for it is Cayuna. Oh! De Leon has been a natural leader for this hustle team. Huh?
6 na yung lamang ng Team Hustle.
Pablo shooting away. Block! Assist! Gandler conniving.
Yung last step.
Many times to that. Oh, but she took the point back. Great opportunity to see this. Bea. Galanza. De Leon celebrating. Here's Cayuna. Brooke reaching for it. The slide does not connect really. Alohi pumps it over. Pablo jumping into it. Alohi! Well done.
Magkaiba sila ng style.
From icing the set. Carlos changes hands in the air. Alohi kicks it up. Valdez! Alohi one-hander. Carlos had to shove it over. Pablo uncorks. Eroa going for it. Grappled, bandied about. Alohi pushes it high. Carlos uncorks, and it's beyond reach.
They're poised to take set number 2.
Wala rin magawa yung tatlong yun. Bakbakan. Merong. Tapos, some points.